How do you monitor the condition and health of your inspection system and access quality data from anywhere? By using ISRA Vision's EPROMI Live software. This browser-based solution offers powerful visualization tools containing different widget types, which allow you to set data ranges, thresholds, and trends. EPROMI offers System Health Data Monitoring as an early warning system to minimize downtime, Quality Data Monitoring for faster reaction to arising quality issues, Condition Monitoring with live insights from real-time data. EPROMI Live is accessible via multiple devices and keeps you informed about your production. ISRA Vision, empowering vision excellence.